Welcome back to another video. This is Next Wave AI Academy, where we teach people how to use technical things without having any technical experience. So, without all the fluff, we're going to get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about, let's see, we're going to talk about MidJourney. So, let's get MidJourney on the screen. Fox. 1 second. Bam. Okay. So here's MidJourney. Now, you're probably wondering, what is MidJourney? MidJourney is a actual AI that you can use to generate images with a simple prompt. So what do I mean by that? If you click on here, here's your prompt in the right hand corner. If you click on it, that prompt will go up in a prompt box at the top. Then it will give you a list of options. If you were to generate an image, you can go over here on that the settings bar, and it will give you the option to either have it 16:9, which is specified for YouTube, or you can go 3.2, or you can go 4.3, or you can go 6.5, or you can go 1.1, which is Facebook. Again, you can go whatever size you need. 1.2, which is stories. So you find the best fit, and then you just hit generate, and it will generate your image at the top here. Boom. Put it in there, and it's going to submit it, and it's going to generate that image for us, or a image just like that. Now, let's talk about the other capabilities that it has. Video. So this video is amazing. Now, think about exactly how much time you can save by creating something this cinematic. Check out this Coca-Cola. This is something that they're probably going to use, or that a person just really created very easy, but it can be used for a commercial. So again, simple prompt. This is the prompt up here in the prompt bar, and then you hit submit, and you'll get the image. Now, there's a few things that I want to talk about so we all can be on the same page. You can take this AI and go viral very, very fast. If you knew exactly what everybody were, if you knew what people like to see on the internet, or if you knew something that was very fascinating like this is scroll stopping. It's going to make a person completely stop their scroll, and they're going to watch what you have. Look at this cute animation right here. So now that we talked about a couple things that it can do, we can go back and check our creation as well. Over to the creation, and instantly you see that it gave me a cat. Very cute. It gave me different options, right? So now let's talk about what I use this for. So if I had a client, and my client contacted me and they said that they wanted me to make them a commercial, I can use this to generate the commercial. If I had a client that contacted me and they wanted anything for marketing or just a creation, I can use this to create. Now, they have a creation section. They have an editing section where you can edit. They have an actual personalized section. And what I use the personalized section for, or what I have in other videos trained and showed people how to use this to keep the image consistent. So you want to make sure that your image is consistent throughout the whole process of you creating a cinematic piece. And a lot of times it's very hard because you give a character reference, but sometimes it don't give the same character each and every time. So this is a good workaround. This is a good way. This is a very good way to keep your characters consistent throughout the whole process of you generating your images. And down here they have, of course, the different models of it. And of course the models have gotten better in time. So then we have the organization tab here where you can keep everything organized so that you don't have a whole bunch of stuff everywhere on your grid. Then we have the chat. The chat is very powerful. So people have been getting on Discord, people have been getting on here and getting in the chat and making things together, like community building or just getting in here and working with other people and having fun. You know, that's what it's all about, creating and having fun. All right. And then under that, if you go to General Chaos, they have a whole bunch of people in here that's creating a whole bunch of cinematic stuff, you know, and it's pretty cool. It's it's always cool to me to create. Again, you can also get references, ideas, and different things of that nature by just going and looking and seeing exactly what they prompt. So, and then they have the prompt craft, right? Again, we're always searching for new ideas to make our prompts better, and this is a good way to do that. Then they have the daily theme, and the daily theme, it just has a lot of different stuff in here. Then if you go to newbies, these are generally the people that's inside of the community already, so you'll see the stuff that they're creating. And again, you can work with people inside of the community to create more cinematic pieces. So now you have task. The task is very good because it helps you actually make MidJourney better by ranking images. So you can get in here and you can see what everybody's doing. And again, this is kind of how you get the idea of the viral videos, be a part of the community, take surveys, and learn. It's all about learning. It's all about the learning process. So we're not really going to talk about all the accounts and extra stuff like that, but you can put it in light mode or you can check for the updates. And it's not very expensive. We can go to the subscriptions. I'll show you guys here. My plan is here. And let me see. I have the pro plan and what is 30 hours of fast generation, standard and high definition video generation, general commercial terms, optional credit ups, 12 concurrent fast images jobs, so I can print 12 jobs at one time when it comes to the images. You get 6 concurrent fast video jobs, so which means you can just create 6 at the same time before they stop and say, hey, you reached your limit. And then we have the unlimited relaxed images and standard video generation, stealth mode generation, and use editor on upload images. So the stealth mode generation, I want to point out, if you have a project that you don't want everybody to see, definitely put that in stealth mode. So I spend $60 a month, but I create like crazy. I create all the different things that I need. If you were not on my level and you didn't want to create as much, you could always go down to the $30 plan, which is pretty much everything that you get inside of the pro plan, but it's a little more slimmer. So 15 hours, you know, you get SD video generation instead of high definition. But again, it's always up to the person and how you're using it, because with standard, you can do 3 concurrent fast image jobs or 3 concurrent fast video jobs. It's not bad if you don't have a whole big project that you're trying to do at one time. And then they have the basic plan, will allow you to create, but it just, you know, you're going to run out if you're creating all the time. And then they have the mega plan as well. And for me, I believe this is just perfect. So let me show you guys some of the things that I've been creating. We just created the cat, but I am actually working on the movie. So I'll just show you guys a couple clips from some stuff that I have in the movie. And all of this stuff was actually created in MidJourney. So down from this, you know, I'm actually working on a video game as well. But I'm creating all my images here, creating all my animation here. And it's just simple prompts. It's just very, very simple prompts. So again, whether you're looking to actually have something cinematic for TikTok, for Facebook, for Instagram, for YouTube. This would definitely be your place to generate images. And again, I use it for a number of things, whether that's creating a movie, whether that's creating images for a customer. Um, this is just the powerhouse. I'm creating a Pixar animation style comedy right now. Excuse me. And a lot of the characters, I love them because they look so realistic. This is a game changer because for the amount of money that I pay a month, I'm able to still create something that is very cinematic that I can actually put out on Netflix, or I can put it on YouTube, or I can put it on, anything, and it's still high quality, and it's still going to give that same impact and that same cinematic drive as something that was created by Pixar or DreamWorks. So again, I love this. This by far has to be one of the best video generations. And when I mean video generations, you're actually creating the generations from a prompt, and the prompt goes into the prompt bar up here. Boom. And then you just submit. So you're not doing anything. You let AI do all the heavy lifting. So I hope you guys got some information out of this. This was just a video to kind of show you exactly how to use MidJourney, the things that you can use it for. Again, like I said, whether you're working with a client or you're creating something that's cinematic for yourself, you definitely can use MidJourney. MidJourney is by far one of the strongest AIs right now that I use. So on another video, I'll show you guys exactly how I use the prompts, what I use to actually generate the best prompts, and how you can use this to create cinematic pieces. It's not hard. So again, I make all of these videos for all the people that are not super technical. This is not every day that people show you what they're doing behind the scenes. And for me, I like when I watch a video and there's no fluff included and they're not trying to sell me anything. So from my personal experience, I've already been making cinematic films. I've been creating. I've won Film Fest. I've been creating films for over 14 years. So now it's a little bit more easier that I don't have to always pick up my camera and go out to shoot a movie, or have to go to casting calls to make sure that we pick the right actor and different things of that nature. So here on this channel, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this with no technical experience at all. So I hope you guys got something out of this video. I hope that it was informational. I hope that it was educational, and become a part of the community. Make sure to actually subscribe. Make sure to ask questions. Make sure to comment, leave a thumbs up if you like the video. Tell me what videos you like to see next, because this helps the channel grow. So I hope that I got some of those answers out for you guys for the questions that you had about MidJourney, or that you have about AI and how to create cinematic films, or how to make money from AI. Because again, like I said, if you had a client and your client wanted a video, whether that was a plumbing video, or they had a car wash, or they, had a barbershop business or something like that of that nature, you can still use the same tools that I use to get high quality images that you can get paid for. People are making thousands and thousands of dollars off of using the same thing that I just showed you guys with no technical experience at all. So I hope you guys stick around. I hope you guys become a part of the community. We do have another community where we actually teach more in depth. We have PDFs, we have master classes, we have courses. I also do one-on-one training, and I help people get their cinematic pieces to where they feel is perfect so they can put it out. So if that's you, become a part of the community. Don't be shy. Speak, say hi. Again, my name is Michael Cotton, and I am the creator of Next Wave Academy. And all of this filmmaking stuff that you guys are seeing now is going to get better in the future. So stick around, and I hope you got value from this video. Don't be scared of AI, because it's only going to get better day in and day out. You guys have a good one.